exciting happening here. My YouTube name changed from ElectricBike to BrunoPOWEEER, man. Yeah. So why would you go through all this trouble, like rebranding, changing your name? And it's painful, man. You need to change so many things. You need to link so many, you know, like new URLs and stuff. It's painful, but this is gonna give me a lot more freedom. So I'm not locked into this electric bike only. I can talk about different stuff now. Finally, I can talk about tasers. Beep beep. I can talk about lithium, man. I can talk about electric cars, man. Look at this Mercedes B-Class here. So it's a 300 volts DC. It's a massive charger. So batteries, more batteries, and all monitored by battery management system. See, every single bar here, you see, it's one cell that's being monitored there. Like, see, it's blinking. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Yeah, bling, 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 bling. And I work for this company, but I can't talk about this stuff because this is not e-bike. You know, this is electric car or energy storage solution like this. So this is a massive battery that came out of a bus. They used to set the Guinness World Record for the longest trip, single charge. Look at the size of this cells, man. 460 amp hour per cell. Oh, look at the size of the electric bike battery here, man. This is a little Panasonic cell. This is a 100 amp hour cell, you know, and this is a 460 amp hour per cell. So this is a really electric bike. So that name was limiting my content so much. And I was a bit like, oh, you know. So I want to talk about this like motor controller. Look at the size of this. This is electric car stuff, you know, like this is, look, e-Mercedes, my bike doesn't have this thing, so I can't even talk about it, you know, like I just have to, forget about it. My trike is not really a bike, you know, it's got 3 wheels. A lot of people leave comments, this is not a bike, this is not a bike. And, you know, like I want to talk about this beast that I'm rebuilding here. So these batteries, they're not e-bike, you know, they're not related, you know. I want to just make my channel go, you know, I can talk about more things, man. I want to talk about supercapacitors here. So, like, I've been saving these things for, like, because I can't really, you know, it doesn't really go with my channel. So I was like, oh, man, just gotta change this name and get this thing done. I didn't know what name I was gonna put here. So I was like, I don't want to put my name, you know, I'm not like a fashion guy who wants to be selling, hi, my name is Bruno. I don't really say my name in my channel at all. So if you go through all my videos here, I never introduce myself there. I don't care about my name. But, you know, people saying things like, they look that name, electric bike, hang on, I'm just gonna go here. They see electric bike, they think it's a, I don't know, it's a business. Because there's a lot of business now, lots of TV channels with big crew and like big budget, you know, you spend a lot of money investing on YouTube. And I'm like, no, I'm just a guy. I'm just, yeah, I have my face here, and now I have to put my name so people associate, it's a guy, Bruno, that's his face, and this is power, man. So yeah, I'm just a guy, man. I made a second channel just to redirect people here in case they get lost in a search, but I did some tests here. You're definitely gonna go straight to the right channel here. And also have an Instagram, man. Yeah, Instagram actually. I had a lot of freedom on my Instagram because I was never electric bike there. I was just talking about anything. I always had a lot of freedom, so it was kind of good. So you see here, so I've been posting a lot of short videos there, solar electric car, a lot of batteries here. So this is for hydrofoil electric surfboard. This is a prototype. We're actually coming to the final model here. So it's a lot of things, electric go-kart, you know, like my arm infection with the thermal camera when I cut my arm, like when I was moving house here, like preparing my garage, a lot of little things, you know, the things that I couldn't share in my electric bike channel. But now that's BrunoPOWEEER, man. I can do things. Thanks to all my subscribers. So much power, man.